here. Raymond, come here. What are you walking away for?
I continue walking.
I know.
Why am I being stopped?
Because you're on probation.
Yes.
And one of your conditions is you can't be near her.
I'm not anywhere near her. I was right in front of her.
Stop it, my man.
Sir, I was right in front of her.
Who's your PO?
I don't know yet.
What do you mean you don't know?
I have my first appointment tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
But you signed the paperwork.
I'm not technically not near her. I wasn't talking to her. I wasn't doing
Bro,
nothing.
you guys were walking side by side
I had no
on US 1. Alright, come over here. Let me see if I can call your PO.
Right. That's not right.
Are you in handcuffs?
No, but still, you're just going to try to arrest me now?
No, right there in front of my car. Over here.
No, you're going to try to arrest me now.
For what? I gotta call your PO and see if you're allowed to be around her.
No, I'm not. You know I'm not allowed around her, but I wasn't even looking at her.
You guys were walking side by side on US 1.
Did you see me talking to her though?
Doesn't matter.
That's not contact. No.
Stop it.
That is not contact. If I'm sitting here walking,
Stop
that's not contact.
No, not here. You went in front of her. Back there, you guys were side by side.
I still never talked to her.
Okay, just relax.
No,
Let me call you.
Right. No,
who's your PO?
You guys are gonna arrest me. I don't know who my PO is.
Well, I'm gonna pull the paperwork and see.
No, you're gonna see, but you're gonna go and arrest me.
I'm gonna call them and see.
All I was doing, I was walking right in front.
No, you're walking side by side.
Me over, I was walking right.
Well, yeah, but when I first saw you, you're walking side by side.
Arrest me. I was not talking to her. I did
You
nothing
can't have
to her.
any contact with her.
There was no contact.
You're walking side by side with her, bro.
Okay, passing her.
No, not passing her.
Yes, I passed her.
On US 1.
Let me see the camera footage then.
All right, put your hands behind your back.
No, see, you can't arrest me. You can't arrest me.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't resist.
How are you gonna arrest me?
Don't resist.
How can you arrest me?
Don't resist.
No, you gotta ask me.
Don't resist.
No, sir.
Put your hands behind your back.
How can you arrest me?
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not fighting. I didn't do nothing
Raymond,
wrong.
put your hands behind your back.
No, it's not resisting. How are you guys arresting me?
110, 669.
How you guys arresting me?
Put your hands behind your back.
No, how you guys arresting me?
Raymond,
How you guys arresting me?
put your hands behind your back.
No. Then would you let me go?
I need a county unit as well.
Let me go. I will be fine.
Put your hands behind your back. Quit tensing up.
I'm not tensing.
Do it now.
Okay, so I'll call police brutality if you guys slam me to the ground. Cause I'm not.
Put your arms behind your back.
I'm not resisting.
Oh! Police brutality! Police. You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back.
Police brutality.
Put your hands behind your back.
Tase me.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Listen,
Put your hands behind your back.
I've been stabbed. You can't tase
Put your hands behind your back.
You cannot tase
Do it now.
Sir, you can't tase me.
Put your hands behind your back.
You can't tase me. I'll have a lawsuit.
Put your hands behind your back.
You can't tase me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Police brutality. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Back up. Back up.
Babe, put this on camera. Police brutality.
You're already on camera.
I've just been tased. I've just been tased. Police brutality. Camera. Now. Camera.
I'm trying.
Now. They just tased me. I've been stabbed. I was not resisting. He tripped
Yes, you
me.
were.
Put it on camera now, babe.
I'm putting it on camera.
Quickly
Back
now.
up. Back up.
No, you can't do nothing. She can go ahead and videotape this. They just tased
110,
me.
male security.
I am on fuck. I have
Rescue,
been
please,
stabbed
for,
a few years ago.
taser
I have trauma. They tased me. And they tripped me. I was not being resistant. Police brutality. I have a lawsuit.
Officer, can I get my wallet?
No. If it's on him, no.
Give her her wallet.
Staying on
I
you.
will fucking kick you with my foot. Give me her
You're not
wallet.
gonna kick anyone.
Give me her wallet.
No, if it's on you, it goes to Julie.
Give me my wallet.
You're under arrest.
My ID.
Give you your wallet. We will.
Give me my wallet.
Yeah, your wallet will
Give
go
it
with
to
you.
her.
No, it doesn't work like that.
No, you have to give her what I tell you.
No, I don't.
Okay, good. So now I can go ahead and sit there and have another lawsuit.
Go
Tase
ahead.
me again, motherfucker.
Don't tense
Tase
up
me
on
again.
me.
Tase me.
Don't tense
again.
up on me.
Tase me again. I will kick you in your shit.
I need
Tase me again. I dare you. Hey, we are homeless. This is police brutality in Bunnell, Florida. And
You're not
guess
supposed
what?
to be around her. You're on probation. You can't be
I was
around her.
never near her.
Okay.
I was walking right ahead of her.
No, walking
Don't
side by
listen
side.
to this fucking pig that tased me for no reason. I was not being resistant. And he still got a gun on my back.
It's not a gun. It's a taser.
It's still a fucking form of a gun, you fucking
No, it's
pig.
not. It's a taser. You didn't even get tased. You got
If
drive
you guys
stuff.
see this,
You got
go
drive
ahead
stuff.
and file this lawsuit.
Is he going to jail?
Yes, he's under arrest.
I'm under arrest for what?
Violation of your probation.
Oh, yeah?
Resisting arrest.
Oh yeah? For what, you stupid fucking cracker? For what, you stupid ass cracker?
How long is he gonna be in there?
It don't matter how long
no
I'm
bond,
in there
it doesn't matter.
for.
Do you want me
Because
to
I'm gonna have a lawsuit on this stupid fuck.
Yeah.
On the ground?
What's your fucking name and your badge
Sergeant
number?
Weaver, you know
No,
me.
write that shit down, you
I was the
stupid
one who
fuck.
saved your life when your
You didn't
guts were
save my fucking
when your
life.
guts were hanging out of you.
Nigga,
when
you
you
didn't
got
save my
stabbed.
fucking life. You was one of the people that posted talking shit, you stupid cracker.
Remember when you got stabbed and your guts were
No.
hanging out?
Keep
Yeah.
fucking talking
That was
about
me.
that. I'll fucking
That
kill
was
you.
me who pushed him
Keep
back.
talking about that.
Don't kill me.
PTSD! PTSD! Bring it back past memories! PTSD!
No, back up.
Don't
put
tell my
anything
daughter
in
to
here.
back up.
Everything goes
She's
with him.
videotaping all your shit, cracker. She's videotaping all your shit.
Everything goes
Tell
with
her
him.
to back up. This shit getting posted on Facebook too. Make your ass look like shit, you stupid fucking Jew.
You got some change and stuff there too, so I had to get into.
Yeah, you better give that change to her.
Nope. Goes with you.
No, because you're not putting that in the fucking jail. I worked hard for what I got. Don't fucking do that. Get me out. Get me in that fucking car and do your
We will.
fucking job.
Car just pulled up.
I don't give a fuck
gotta
about
wait.
your stupid car.
You
Move
just
before
sat.
I
You
elbow
just.
you in your fucking nuts.
You just asked to get the car, didn't you?
Move before I elbow you in your fucking nuts.
Wait, don't.
Why are you gonna catch a battery LEO?
I don't
Raymond?
give a fuck because you fucking tased me for no fucking reason.
I
nigga.
didn't tase you for no reason.
Yeah, you did. I was
Stand
not
up or keep
resisting and
from-
you fucking tased
Put
me, you
gloves on.
fuck. I was not
We gotta
resisting
double-
and you fucking tased me.
Yeah, you were.
No, I was not resisting.
Everything is on camera,
and,
Raymond.
Alright, then I want to see that fucking camera footage because I was not
It's right here.
resisting.
Don't worry.
I was not fighting you guys. You guys tripped me. I did nothing wrong.
Yep.
You guys cannot arrest me for sitting there saying something. You guys can't just pull up on me for no reason at all.
When it's part of your probation, then you can't
Guess
be around
what?
her.
Then you
Yes,
should
it
be
is.
arresting her too because we both have one against each other, you stupid fuck. If
Oh.
you knew what it really was, you're a
Oh.
dumbass.
Well, she can go to jail too then. Thanks for telling us. Apparently she might have one too, so maybe she needs to go to jail also.
See, just you guys really think you guys are gonna keep us apart. You guys are gonna keep fucking
Hey,
putting
I'm
me
not
in
the
jail.
one that agreed to probation.
You know, you guys
like you
are gonna
did.
keep putting me in jail. Guess what? I'm still going back to this fucking woman regardless.
You're also gonna go to jail for threatening a law enforcement officer by saying you're gonna kill me.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Oh yeah? Oh
Wait,
yeah?
stop.
Then I guess I should go ahead and do something to actually get. Then I should do something to actually give you a reason to put a charge on me, huh? Huh?
Come on.
Huh?
Raymond.
Huh?
Come on.
What? What's up then?
Huh?
What's up?
Right.
Pull your
back.
taser now.
Huh?
Pull your taser now.
Raymond.
Pull
You
your
guys
taser
pulling
now.
back?
Pull your taser now.
want him at my car?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't
pull your
care.
taser now so I can kick you. Give you a fucking reason. What you gonna do? Slam me. Slam me. Come on.
You did that, not
Come on.
us.
Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. What? I'm a crazy ass motherfucking white
No,
boy.
yeah.
You think I care? No, fuck that shit. Get your nuts off my hands. Sexual assault.
Just stop.
And disrespect. Get
Just
your
stop.
hand off me. I'll bite you.
Just shut
It's a
up.
fucking.
Let me grab a spit mask. One ten, you clear, John.
The fucking car. They slammed my head into the car. They slammed it in the car. Post this on Facebook, man. Post this shit on Facebook. You ain't fucking spreading shit, nigga. No, you ain't spreading nothing. What are you doing? No, I'm gonna move. No, I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. You have no reason to arrest me. I didn't do anything. Open your feet back up. No.
Charlie 211.
Open your feet. No. What, you gonna drop me to the floor? Give me more police brutality evidence against you. Give me more. Come on, give me more.
I think a prone search might be safe.
Give me more.
Let's get this on first.
Give me fucking more.
Just wait a second.
Okay. Honda, motherfucker. Oh, what, you're putting a bag over my head now?
It's just a spit
It's a spit guard, so you don't spit on us, Raymond.
What the fuck am I gonna spit on you for? You guys are fucking stupid.
What to do, prone? I can't get in there from here.
Oh, why? Because you don't want people to see Raymond Matthew Glass 7/14/94. That is my identity. That's why they put this shit on my face. Put it on the motherfucking media! Bunnell Police brutality,
Well,
not resisting!
we're with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office, just so you know. Okay. You got one?
Hey, can you get her info,
Flagler
Commander?
County!
I think she
Bunnell
might be on
PD!
probation. She can't be around him either, so she might need to go to jail also.
Police brutality!
All right, are you gonna let us search you or no?
No.
Okay, then you're gonna go on leg shackles. You understand? Huh?
I can still go ahead and fight with those on.
Okay.
You guys are fucking stupid.
They should be in my front right door.
There's
got
nothing even left in my fucking
We gotta check benchmark to see. Huh?
I got a waistband too, I think.
For the shackles?
No, if he starts.
Yeah. I don't want to take the handcuffs off though.
No.
Well, they're in the back.
Copy a name by
By the way, that phone will be also put into evidence when I go to trial against you guys.
Whoa.
Her phone will be put into evidence and the video against y'all.
Don't worry, Raymond. We all have video too.
Mike's last name Ravine.
Are you gonna let him?
Alpha,
Okay.
Bravo, India, November.
You guys are all
Echo, white
fucked.
female.
Okay.
You guys got the media here now too. Y'all fuck.
Who's the media?
Oh, it has this many fucking cops just for you guys to go and take care of one individual?
Well, you're
Oh,
not.
wonderful.
Not cooperating.
That shows how pussy you motherfuckers are, man.
Okay, Raymond.
Learn to fight your little one-on-one battles yourselves.
Okay.
And you're gonna go ahead and try to get me for threatening. Oh,
Okay.
whoop-de-doo, I threatened an officer. So fucking what?
That's against the law.
Yeah, guess what? It's not a felony either, dumbass. It's a misdemeanor.
Okay. Resisting arrest with violence is a felony.
Guess what? Yeah, where's the violence? Because I didn't swing on you or nothing.
You don't have to.
Nope, that's still violence.
No.
Violence is what you guys were doing, not
No.
me.
You don't have to.
Nope, you guys did the violence. So you want to go ahead and put me on resisting arrest with violence? Could be my fucking guest. I'll beat it.
Can you run her and benchmark? I think she's on probation and she can't be around him either.
What's your name?
Yeah, on solid paraphernalia in his pocket too.
Yeah.
The other numbers here.
6132.
Fucking me, stay there. I have every right to look at your fucking car number so I can go ahead and get you guys.
No, I'm trying not to choke you with your handkerchief.
Cutting it? I'm gonna fucking murder the fuck out of you motherfuckers!
It's around your neck. We're not gonna.
Doesn't matter, you fucking cut it, you fucking asshole!
You can't
Now you
kick
kick
me.
me.
Now you
That's
kick me.
No,
better.
I didn't
Battery
kick
LEO.
you.
You kicked
Alright,
him.
where's the proof? Because I went right here.
Nope.
How did I kick you?
Now you're
How
up,
did I
now
kick
you got a battery
No, I
LEO,
don't.
Raymond.
Nope, because I didn't
got
kick you.
3 people saw
I did not fucking kick you. That was not 3. I did not kick you.
Nope.
This
Now you got a
stopped,
battery
and
LEO.
that was a fucking chain. That was not me.
Now you got a battery LEO, Raymond.
You didn't. See, now you're fucking lying because
No, you
you're
kicked
fucking
forward.
officer.
You kicked
All
forward
right,
and your
what's
leg
your
went back.
badge number 2? Because I'm gonna get your ass in court too.
He's a commander.
I'm getting all you motherfuckers in court.
Can't wait.
357. Like the Magnum.
I'm getting all you in court.
Can't wait, Raymond.
Nope, I'm getting all you in court because I'm beating it all. Watch.
Hey, he
Get
also,
off
Commander.
the fucking chain
Hey,
now.
Commander.
Shut up for what?
Commander.
Shut up.
Hey, he also headbutted the car and dented
I still
it.
have my head.
He also dented the car.
So you got a neck shackle too? Because I'll
Just
headbutt
making
your
sure
ass.
you don't kick me again, that's all. Standing on the chain.
No, because I didn't fucking
You see
kick
it?
you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Dented it with his forehead.
Where's the dent?
I don't know.
I don't see a dent.
right in front of your face.
Dented my car,
There
man.
is no dent.
The sheriff just
There
got
is.
this too.
There is
Brand
no.
new one.
You did that, you stupid fuck. You slammed my head there.
On camera.
You
You're on
did that.
camera, Raymond.
No, it's on camera that he pushed my head there.
No, he didn't.
You did.
No, you ran up and you smashed your own head onto it.
You did.
And Officer
Yeah.
Hershey's hand's there to prevent you
You're a
from doing
liar.
it again.
You did it. You did it anyway.
No, misdemeanor and benchmark.
On probation or supervised release status until 2023. reference, battery, LEO, firefighter, EMS,
That's her.
special
Oh.
conditions,
Yeah.
no alcohol.
He's in my
Have
release for
fun,
a
you
battery
stupid fuck.
You're on inmate
Have fun
release for
what?
a battery on
You shouldn't
LEO?
even be worrying about me
Going
for
back in
this.
again?
You want me to arrest
You
her?
shouldn't even worry about me with this battery on a law enforcement that you so-called did to you.
Okay, Raymond, do you have any?
about my woman?
Raymond, do you have any injuries that the ambulance needs to check out?
Yeah, definitely from you.
Okay.
What injury?
From getting
Sure,
drive
from
stun?
getting fucking tased and from you fucking tripping me.
Okay.
What's the injury?
What's the injury? What's
No,
your
you can
complaint?
kiss my fucking ass. No, fuck
They're
you.
here. Do you want to get
No,
seen
you're
by
gonna
them?
sit there and try to act like you helping me.
Okay.
Nigga, you ain't trying to help shit. Fuck you. I don't want none of y'all services. Y'all can go fuck yourselves. I hope y'all get corona. Die.
It's not us. It's
Okay.
fire
I
rescue.
don't give a fuck. I hope they die too.
You don't want to see him?
No.
Okay.
You said no.
Okay.
I didn't say no.
You just
but guess
did.
What? But guess
You
what?
just said you don't want
you
any
can die
services.
from corona too, you fucking faggot.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Elbow.
Did you just hit me again?
Oh, so you gonna call it a hit again? That wasn't a hit. Nice try, you fucking faggot.
All right, you
That's
know
how
what?
I knew you was lying about the first one.
Raymond, are you gonna let us check your pockets before we get you in the car? Huh?
You gonna put me on the ground again? Good, because I'll go ahead and have more fucking
Well, we will put
evidence
you on the
against
ground if you don't let us
Do
search
it.
you.
I'll make sure I slam my face so fucking hard.
Okay. Are you gonna let us check your pockets before we put you in the car?
Oh, fuck you.
That's a no.
I'd like to do it standing up so we
No,
don't have to go
fuck
back
you.
down to the ground.
Okay. Do you want to go on the ground and do it, or standing up?
You wanna fucking go ahead and put me to the ground? Feel free.
I mean, we will if we have
you
to,
guys
but you
wanna
have
do
to be
it?
searched.
Because obviously,
Okay.
you guys like fucking roughing me up.
Okay, you have to
You
be
guys like
searched.
fucking with the Glass family. So
Okay,
you know
Raymond.
what? You can go fuck yourself. Put me
Okay.
on the ground. I dare you.
Okay. Well, I saved your life a few years ago, so I don't like
You
fucking
didn't
with you.
save shit.
I mean, your
My
intestines.
fucking big bro John fucking saved me
No.
because he called you guys. You
Yeah.
guys didn't save shit.
Okay, I was the one pushing your organs back inside of
You
you.
weren't the one pushing my organs. It was another buddy of mine, and that was Jamie.
No, it was
nice
me.
fucking try.
Can you let me check all your pockets standing up? I just like to.
I know who
I know,
the
that's what
fuck
you get
saved
for
my life.
pushing
Stop
his
fucking
intestines
lying
back
to me.
in.
You
Okay.
didn't save my
I
fucking
was the
life.
first one there, Raymond.
You were not the first one.
Yes,
there.
I was.
The ambulance was there way before you.
No.
Yes, it was.
I was there within 10 seconds
No,
of the
you
call
weren't.
coming out. Okay.
You were not.
Okay, Raymond. Are you gonna let us check your pockets or no? So we can speed up the process?
Fuck your speed up. You guys ain't gonna get it without a hassle.
Alright,
Y'all
just
already
leave that.
trying to. You
Just a
guys
little
are
bit.
already trying to hit
Just
me
a
with a
little bit.
fucking battery on a Leo.
Just a little
so
bit.
guess what? No, fuck you.
Okay.
Because I didn't even kick this motherfucker.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Go ahead and kick me with it then. Whatever.
You are getting hit
You
with
guys just want to fucking do it. Yeah, you ain't hurting. Stop fucking lying.
You don't have to hurt.
I never even fucking touched you. And I hope that was on the camera
It was
and
on the
everything
entire
else.
time.
If
The
it was
whole
not
time.
on camera, guess what?
You're gonna sue me?
Yeah, I'm definitely suing. I'm
Okay.
suing so.
I know, you said that
and,
a bunch.
And see, you want to bring up my motherfucking past? You're lucky I don't fucking headbutt you in your shit right now.
Let's take
Okay,
the
Raymond.
other
With
side.
my PTSD, which
Okay,
is also something that you.
Okay, Raymond.
Fucking knock your shit off.
Come on.
You going on this side?
Yeah.
Knock your shit off.
Stop right there.
Stop, Raymond.
So it looks like she took probation, so she's currently on probation, and probation says she can't use intoxicants, just normal
Okay.
stuff. It didn't
I know his has the thing where he can't have any contact with her.
Yeah, so she had those charges, and she's already pled out to like probation.
So did he.
She's on.
But she has nothing, no contact wise? Raymond, come on, get in the car.
Police brutality!
It's not police brutality.
Police brutality!
Stand up and get
Pulled me and hurt me! They pulled
Okay.
me by my feet and dropped me!
Get in there.
They're throwing me in! Police brutality! Police brutality! Police brutality!
Move your head. Move your head.
Police, he kicked me in my head! Police brutality!
Put your head
Police brutality!
head in.
Police
Put your head
brutality! Police brutality!
Put your head in.
He's kneeing me in my head! Police brutality!
Pick your head up. Easy, nice and slow.
Police brutality!
Nice and slow.
You see the dent right there on the where he hit his head? There might be two of them. I know he hit it twice.
Second time I think he hit more like glass.
Right here, you see it? Right here?
That was that first one we were walking.
Oh, that was the one?
Where's he kicking?
No, right now he's kicking, but no, he won't. He is leg shackled.
Might need to in a minute. If he kicks again, we'll hobble him.
Up to the jail where you can just drive.
He ain't gonna break the cage.
No. That was in
I got some right here. Appreciate it.